Hello everyone, today we are going to share with you our UPVC window door sewing machine. Let's take a look together. J-D06 Double-head cutting machine can cut both PVC and aluminum profiles, and also other profiles. The cutting angle is controlled by mechanical limit, which can reach 90 degrees, inner and outer 45 degrees cutting. This machine has high cutting accuracy, stable cutting effect. Its efficiency is 3 times output than general single-head saw, which can improve the production efficiency and shorten the production cycle. It is the ideal equipment for window door manufacturing industry. Another UPVC window door double-head cutting saw is specially used to cut PVC profiles. Its head is adjusted by mechanical limits for 90 degree, inner and outer 45 degree cutting. This cutting machine is light and smooth to operate, with high safety performance, simple structure, high precision for cutting size, durable and reliable, and can be used for a long time to improve work efficiency. Above is our UPVC window door cutting machine with strong structure, high processing accuracy, wide cutting range, high production efficiency, simple operation, convenient, and other characteristics. Welcome to choose Hasna window door machine. You are worthy to have it.